Ready to go camping again? Do you want to go see some wild ponies in Virginia? Good morning, you beautiful little muskrats. We've got coffee. We slept at a rest stop last night. We got some good sleep, but it was cold. Like frost on the windows in the morning cold. We've got our Wild Ponies shirt on. My mom's got the same one. And we're gonna get groceries, stuff to make sandwiches, probably some burger meat for later. And Chloe's already had some breakfast, so she's in good shape. And then we're gonna go see some wild horses, and I am so excited! That was a little much, I realized that. Anyways, let's go. She wants nothing to do with it. It was pretty good. Got the groceries. We just checked in at our campground, which is about 45 minutes away from where we're gonna be hiking today. The campground at the location where the wild horses are is not open yet. They're doing some construction. Chloe's excited and she needs a little pet sometimes. You just gotta stop what you're doing and give her a little love. So anyways, we are going to drive to the hike now, and then we'll be able to come back to camp later. We've already got our tag, which you can probably see right here. We've got our tag so we can get into the park to go see the wild horses, and then we can get back into camp later. So even if we arrive really late, it's not a big deal. We're already checked in technically. So let's get going. Chloe, let's go see some wild horses and ponies and whatever they're called. I don't know if they're actually horses or ponies. We're right by the North Carolina border, and I love North Carolina too. So, shout out to my brother and his girlfriend down in North Carolina. It's so pretty. It's rolling hills, and Chloe's like, wow, this is awesome. I just love it. Well, one thing I wasn't really thinking about is because we're going up to the mountains, there might still be some snow. Because I'm seeing some snow right now. I mean, we got all the gear we need for it. I just wasn't thinking about it. She's got, plenty of sweatshirts and jackets. I've got the right boots. But I'm seeing more snow the more we're climbing. I mean, it makes sense, but it might just be a little bit colder than I was thinking, which I've got layers. I've got long sleeves, rain jacket, got an LL Bean jacket that's good for hiking. So, we're gonna make it work. I just hope the horses are out. I mean, it's warm enough, so they should be. But I'm just so excited. Chloe's excited too. Oh, this is why, ladies and gentlemen, and squirrels and etc., you gotta prepare for any kind of weather. Like, you don't just bring shorts, you bring shorts and you bring long pants. You don't just bring t-shirts, you bring t-shirts and long sleeves and coats and swimsuits and all. You bring everything. This is a lot of snow. You excited, kid? Look at all those mountains. We are here at the hike, just getting started, and it is a bit windy at times, so I suspect the further up we get, the windier it will get, but that's all right. The sun's out, pretty clear, bluebird day, so I'm stoked. She's in the backpack for now, but once we get past this entrance gate, I'm gonna put her down and see if she's up for doing any walking. If not, we carry her. Chloe's on pony patrol. think we're gonna see some. Got a good feeling about it. Huh? It's a good sign. We might see some. Leave the horse crap alone. They could be anywhere. What a beautiful day, though. Muddy. Chloe's just head out the window, living her best life. Looking for ponies. Nothing yet, but we literally just got started, so I'm sure we'll see some. We're going, and then where I found them before was up over that ridge. We'll go up to the top, and then you can loop back around. You can also loop back around that way. And we started back there. We found our first wild pony. We're gonna get over on the other side so we're not too close to it. Oh my God. Beautiful. So now we're gonna go up that way, up along that tree line. We should see some more. But I take that as a win, finding even just one. Oh my gosh, the colors are so pretty. Wow. And such a beautiful place. This place is incredible. Came here once a few years ago and once with my mom, and now it's just Chloe and I. Chloe's been here every time now that I come, so that's been nice. Chloe's like, it's windy. Wondered why I'm not seeing anyone on the trail up this part yet. Well, it's very windy. Like, again, whisker whipped up in here. And it makes it pretty cool. Like, I don't even know if you'll be able to hear me over the wind right now. We hit the mother lode. Hear that wind coming back. Can we manage not to fall? clean, she's mean, she's a hiking machine. Go, Chloe, go, you got this. Well, we just got here in a very windy day. It's a lot better down here than it was up towards the top there. So I think we're just gonna do some exploring around low, which the last 2 times we were here, we saw a lot more horses down lower too. So maybe we'll see some more on the way out. Chloe's got it in 4-wheel drive right now. Yeah. Oh, she's like, what is that? Yeah, it's much nicer down here than back where we were. It was just too windy. So what we just did was hike up along that to there. I was gonna go up there, but it got really windy. Now we're on the other side. There's a cool rock formation up there some people are on. But usually there's some horses over here too. Let's see what we can find. Chloe's getting a little snack. Got my sandwich. Just enjoying our day. Well, we made it back. Holy wind up there. I'll need to run a brush through my hair. The fact that we saw some horses when it was this windy, like maybe we'll see even more tomorrow and Sunday. Protective. As if she didn't sleep all night for like 9 hours. Top of the morning to ya. So today it's a beautiful day. It's not windy. We're gonna try to go back to the same place and do a different loop hike in that area. Hopefully we'll see some more horses. I'm glad that we got to see a handful yesterday. That was amazing. But it was just so windy and so cold. Honestly, I don't think that I could even hear myself talk when I listened back in the videos. It was just wind overpowering everything. So hopefully we'll get to see some more horses today. We're just gonna have a little bit more coffee, we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna head to the trail. Also, I talked about this in a previous video, but like, even though I'm not filming next to the people that I'm camping at the campground, just because it's weird to film around people and you don't want to accidentally film other people, they're so nice. They were asking me yesterday, like, how is your hike? How's your day going? Like, what are you up to? Like, my point is, as long as you're cautious, like, be safe, don't put yourself in stupid situations. But if you're open to, like, talking to people and receptive, like, you can meet some really cool people on the road. So even though you're alone doing it, you can not feel alone by having those interactions with other people. So again, everyone's different. There are some days where like I can't be bothered, like I don't want to make eye contact with people because I don't feel like talking. But other days, most of the time, like I'm open to having a conversation as long as I'm not getting a weird vibe off you or not in an uncomfortable situation by myself. So it's just cool who you meet. But super nice couple, like I said, and had a really cute kid, and he was just like, we went on this hike and I found this flower and showed me. I was like, that's awesome, you know? But also I'm like, don't talk to strangers, kid. But my point being, there's some awesome people out there. So if you have encounters with crappy people, do not let it jade you completely. The good people are out there. They probably just mostly don't want to be bothered, but there's some good people that are actually interested in having a nice conversation, and it's good to have that, I think, on the road, because or else like you're just by yourself the whole time. I have Chloe, I talk to Chloe, but she doesn't always talk back, so sometimes I feel like I'm just talking to myself. kind of like I am right now to the camera, but you get what I'm saying. Some people are awesome. Chloe, do you think your mom's a good singer? Yeah, you're great. You heard it, folks. She's a great judge of character, great judge of vocal talent. I'm an awesome singer. I can't sing on this video, but I want to. Before we hit the road, I need to stretch though, because, you know. Well, that's pretty neat. Chloe's like, let's go see some more horses. Let's do it. She's ready to get going. I'm ready to get going too, although this is pretty peaceful here. But we're all stretched, and now it's time to hit the road. It's like Michigan roads down here. Bumpy. We are heading to the hike. I may have got a coffee. Like, I have a problem. You know, first step is acknowledging you have a problem. I have a problem right now. Problem is iced coffee, but it's got to the point where I don't care where it's from. I just want one. I think it's because the weather got better out, and then I'm like, oh, iced coffee and a drive sounds great. We're gonna focus on driving, get there safely, and we'll see you on the trails. Round 2. Still windy. I was wrong. Or the weatherman was wrong. We were both wrong. But we're gonna go see some more horses. And it's our friend from yesterday. I think it's the same one. Actually, maybe not. Pretty cool that we're already seeing some. Look at that cute little pony butt. Awesome that we're already seeing some, huh, Chloe? Let's keep going and see some more. Yay! Got another one munching on some grass. I think this is the one we saw yesterday. So majestic. So many pony butts. Onward. Really doesn't get much better than this. Still a little windy, but we out here. Oh, is that another? Nope. Just seeing what I want to see, which is more ponies. Chloe's working the Appalachian Trail right now, like a champion. Incredible. Chloe's getting some good sniffs in. Beautiful out. Those mountains. I mean, is this heaven? Are we here? Did we make it? This little girl is killing it today. I just gave her some water and she's ready to go again after she gets her sniffs in. Which, I always let her sniff. Why not? It's her time too. Made it to the top. Could also go up that. Been on the top of that before. It's just climbing up a few boulders, so probably have to put Chloe in the backpack and zip it up. I don't know though. She's pretty motivated today. Maybe she'll pop right up there. That's one motivated Yorkie. And you know what she's motivated by? Chicken. She knows once we get where we're going, she's got has some chimkins coming to her. What do you think, Chloe? Should we go to the top of that? Go sit, eat lunch up there? If you carry me. Deal. Big jump. Oh my goodness. She knows what's up. Almost just fell. Oh yeah, we rock scrambling. This way, Chloe. Wow, look at that horizon. Damn, I'm breathing heavy. What a mountain goat. Good job. You did great. Oh, we made it to the top. She was like climbing up big boulders, and I let her until she had enough. Then I picked her up. There's another one over there too. Will we do it? We'll see. We're gonna get some lunch first. Ain't that right, Chloe? Chloe's a happy camper. She's got some lunch and a pretty cool view. Someone said Chloe's a little mountain goat, and that's what's on my socks. Little mountain goats. I love these darn tough socks. I need to get like 20 more of them. What a cool spot for lunch. Chloe burps after every meal, and I just missed getting it on video. There will be other times. Now she's ready for some pets and a little nap. You did so good, Chloe, climbing all those boulders and that mountain. She's like, duh. I don't know, Chloe. I think we might be living the best life ever, personally. I'm biased, but just had an awesome lunch up here. I have spotted some more horses down there. So we're gonna go walk down that way. Not get too close, but I just want to get some shots of them. Also, I would like to think this goes without being said, but just to get on my little soapbox here, since we are up high. This is where I was sitting and eating. When you're done, just look around. Make sure you didn't accidentally leave any trash or anything behind that shouldn't be here. Ideally, leave it better than you found it. You find someone else's trash, pack it in, take it out with you. Okay? Leave no trace. Spot. Another one down there. See, it's a little black and white. Huh? But they clearly went over this way to get away from all the people over here, so I'm not gonna go bother them. Notice I'm not getting too close to them. I'm not trying to pet them, I'm not trying to feed them. Just don't do it. Although I will say, I mean, some of them, the ones that are closer to the parking lot, are like overly friendly because they have been fed and stuff before, so they try to come up to people, but just don't make it worse. Reason number 1,015,000 why I actually enjoy hiking alone. There's no one here to judge me when I'm breathing like this. And you want to go on a side quest? You just do it. You don't gotta run it by anybody. She's down for anything. So we were over on that one, and then we came over to this one. There's this cool little cave feature. Zip Chloe up so I don't accidentally scratch her snout. Oh, it's so cold in here. And icy! Not gonna lie, that's a little sketch. Safety first over filming, but that's what I just came out of. This is a little slick up here, but I want to keep going because it's a loop, and then we can start making our descent down. We've been doing a lot today because it's so nice, so why not take advantage of it? It's crazy how much snow and even ice there was yesterday, and now it's just mud pit. Just to show you what we're going through to get up there. Well, we did it. We got up here. I don't know how we're gonna get down. Oh man. Some of the situations I get myself into, I tell you what. Yikes. We up here. And I'm tired. She's like, I don't see the problem, I'm fine. Oh man. And it's still nice out. I'm a t-shirt, so. And over there is where we had lunch earlier. Well, we survived that. This is just the coolest hiking. I'm just obsessed, you guys. Well, I definitely took the most difficult way down, but it's got a pretty cool view on this side as well. So I'm not complaining. That was definitely one of those trails. Should have gone up that way, down the other way. Oh my gosh. The other thing, I'm not ashamed to say this. Sometimes you just need to sit your butt down. What I mean by that is you're trying to go down something where it's a huge drop and you're gonna end up like hurting yourself trying to get down it. Sit on your butt, reach your legs down, and go down. I don't care if it's wet, if it's snowy, it's still better than falling. So do what you gotta do, make it work for you. Well, I tell you what, I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. And so is she, because I'll have to look at my phone and see how many miles we've done, but it's the terrain more than anything. When you're stepping up and down on boulders and rocks and it's not flat walking, it takes it out of you. But it's been an awesome day. We hit the pony jackpot. So cute. They're all out. Not to get all philosophical on you, but sometimes I have these moments where I feel like I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be and doing exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. And this is one of those moments. I'm with my dog, doing what I love doing. It's perfect. Well, top of the morning to ya. Chloe says, good morning, everyone. We've got coffee. We've got a plan. And it's our last day on the road. So, we've been to the Wild Horses twice. We're gonna go back because it makes us happy and we're here. So it is another 40-minute drive south, which is gonna add on time to get back later. But I don't really care because I love the horses. So let's go see them. You know what? This needs ketchup. It's very bland. Well, day 3. It's not super warm out, so we're probably gonna make this quick because, like I said, we've got to get on the road and we've got a long drive to get home tonight. Can't be messing around for too long, though I would like to. So let's see if we can spot any more horses on this last day. The winds of crap are coming, and I just felt some rain. So, like I said, this will be a short-lived hike, and I'm just happy to get out here, get a good walk. I'm gonna walk out as far as I want to, and then let Chloe walk back so we both get some exercise before we're trapped in the car for 7 to 9 hours, which I'm fine with because I've got some fantasy audiobooks that I'm gonna listen to. Well, we came, we saw a couple of ponies, and now it's time to leave. She's so sleepy. Well, we've got to head home now, but thanks for coming along on this adventure with us. We had a great weekend, and stay tuned for the next one. Wild Ponies.